let's test it. Oh, we need some adjustments here. Check this out. This is supposed to help open the hood. Let's see. There we go. Nice. We're ready to start work. So we're going to start with the hood removal. We're going to replace the hood on this one here. I find these clips really silly because they're crimp clips, and crimp clips are hard to take apart. You can actually end up breaking the nozzle before you even get the clip off. There. Now we'll be able to take it off. As you can see, I had to prop a block of wood. I put in 2 bolts. I put the one here, put the one in on the other side just so that the hood doesn't move. And now we're going to complete the installation. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the prop rod on each side, because I believe that's one of the most important pieces. I have installed. Got one there. Now we got one prop rod on. We can put the other one on. We're not killing ourselves. There we go. Make sure you leave enough room for the shims. So these are not going in. They're too far forward. So let's see if we can adjust them. There we go, yeah. Push it back. See how that goes. Let's test it again. That didn't work. Let's try it again. That's good enough for me.